Before this video begins, I do just want to say that it is a joke.
Alright guys, so I just got a new keyboard and I want to know what you think of it. It is unmodded, so it's not going to be great, but I mean, here's the spacebar. Other keys, I don't know. I mean, it's not horrible, but I mean, it's not the best.
Before you click off the video, I just want to give a huge thank you to everyone who's been watching my videos lately. It means a lot, the huge growth. I mean, thank you so much. So like and subscribe for more content.